or you can open files in Adobe Illustrator, basically .ai files. So for that you have to open your Adobe Illustrator, and here you will find the file option. You have to click on that. You will find the open option here. You have to click on that, and here you can open images as well, not only Adobe Illustrator format. You can see all the extension which are supported by Adobe Illustrator, so you can open those files and edit them further. So for example, I will just open a AI file. As you can see, this is a AI file. .ai file means Adobe Illustrator file. So you have to locate the file through this window. For example, the file is in the documents in my case, so I'm just gonna click on documents and select the file and click on open. As you can see, the file has been opened. So this is a way to open files in Adobe Illustrator. Another way is you just simply can locate that file, and if it is an Illustrator file .ai and Adobe Illustrator has been installed on your computer, then you can just simply double click to open it. But if it is not a Illustrator file, but it's a file which is supported by Illustrator that you know, for example JPEGs or other images, then you have to right click on it, and here you will find open with. You have to select that, and you have to go to more apps and choose Adobe Illustrator from there. But you have to know that which files are supported by Adobe Illustrator. For that you can simply go to file and open and check these formats. These are the formats which are supported by Adobe Illustrator. So that's how you basically open Adobe Illustrator file or open files in Adobe Illustrator. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.